Welcome to our channel. If you need affordable physical therapy in the United States, follow these step-by-step instructions to find quality care that fits your budget. Step 1. Check your health insurance coverage first. Contact your insurance provider to understand what physical therapy services are covered under your plan and what your copay or deductible will be. Step 2. Ask your primary care doctor for a referral to physical therapists who accept your insurance. Many insurance plans require a physician's referral before covering physical therapy services. Step 3. Search for community health centers in your area. These federally qualified health centers offer physical therapy on a sliding fee scale based on your income. Step 4. Contact local universities with physical therapy programs. They often run clinics where students provide supervised treatment at reduced rates while gaining experience. Step 5. Look into hospital-based outpatient programs. Many hospitals offer financial assistance programs or payment plans for patients who cannot afford the full cost of services. Step 6. Explore telehealth physical therapy options. Virtual sessions are often less expensive than in-person visits and can be effective for many conditions. Step 7. Check with nonprofit organizations that provide free or low-cost rehabilitation services. Organizations like the Salvation Army and local churches sometimes offer assistance programs. Step 8. Ask physical therapy clinics about self-pay discounts and payment plans. Many providers offer reduced rates for patients paying out of pocket and can arrange affordable monthly installments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.